Marvelous day to all the ExCom members of Toastmasters International and especially those of District 116. This is a special video for you to understand how to submit your club success plan online for your ease. So let's quickly go to toastmasters.org and log in. As an ExCom member, especially President, VP Ed and Secretary, you will have the login, which can take you through the Club Central. Once you have the login at the home page, you can scroll down and you'll be able to see Leadership Central. Under that, you will have Club Central. Once you scroll down, there'll be Club Success Plan tab there. Once you click that, you'll be able to see the program year, the one that you're planning to submit for. You'll also be able to see a printable template open in case you like writing and you write it out and then open it here. These are certain goals. You'll be able to see that. So let's go to first goal as an education goal, the main agenda. Once we edit it, for you it'll be start if you're doing it for the first time, because I've already done that. As you'll see edit. Member progress tool. You'll be able to see all the paths that your members have completed. They'll be frozen. You can see the gray ones. And the ones that they have now planned to do it, I have marked tick, the blue ticks for them. For this year, that's their commitment. Once you've done that, if you have any distinguished Toastmasters coming up, please do sign up for that too. At the side, you'll be able to see all the goals protected or the ones that you have logged in. Let's go to the second one, strategies and tactics. What is the plan, as in how are you going to plan to achieve these? Do you have mentors, mentees? What are some ways to motivate members? Save and close. Let's go to the second one. Another important one is membership. How many members are you planning to have this year? Qualifying requirement, I'm planning for 50, maybe you plan for 100. What are the strategies? Open houses, theme meetings. You can write it down here. Save and close. You'll be able to see the training, administration, committee values and process, planning process and contributors. For example, if I click administration, who's the responsible person for renewals, officers list, strategies again, save and close. Play around. This is your site. You can always explore more. Let's go to the something that I've not done yet. Start. For you, everything would be at the start if you're doing it for the first time. Executive committee values, of course, aligned with Toastmasters values. How are you going to make decisions? What are the plans for member engagement? Are you planning a picnic together? Maybe. Save and close. And let's go to the last one. Once you've submitted, all of us done, then you'll be able to see the submit button on. Yes, you can also decide on who all helped you in the planning process. Of course, it would be your ExCom, and you can also write any of the members' name if they've helped you. Save and close. Once you're done with all, you'll be able to see the submit button back in red, and you will be able to submit it directly digitally for your ease. Again, remember, you can always use the printable template for your ease. Submit it as soon as it comes. All the best for this tenure. We look forward for you to have an amazing year with Toastmasters. Bye-bye.